crisps. Back to my spiritual home.
Like a comedy callback a year later.
More than a year, man. I reckon it's like 2 years ago we did the initial crisp video.
And we're coming back with a bang, by which we mean selling out. Here we have some Guinness.
We are by no means sponsored by the little Irishmen from Ireland.
By the leprechauns of Guinness, Jesus.
The leprechauns of Guinness. Is that who makes it?
Well, no, that's what you implied.
Oh my god.
So we got these Guinness crisps, or Brad got these Guinness crisps, cracked them while drunk. So they're not as fresh as maybe they should be.
Spoiling the magic of film!
We're in the Beer Merchant's Tap, which has a selection of 500 beers, so we should find something either to match or wash down the cardboard in this bag.
500 beers, I don't know that's enough. You know. But hey, go on then.
We'll try the crisp and then we'll have a little walk around and see what we can find.
Let's do
After you, just in case.
I'm going in first. Okay. Oh my word! Look at the colour of it. This is a serious. It's caked. It looks like Marmite on the crisp. That flavour though.
Very Marmitey. Very dead yeast. Marmitey, roasty, a little bit soy saucy. It's umami all over, isn't it?
It's, you know, smacking the chops.
So umami. What do we want to do with umami?
I'm gonna rub it all over myself.
That's not what I meant, but good to know. Let's find something to
cut through it.
Something to cut through it and something to complement it. 2 beers, see what works best.
That's a challenge.
Let's go. Brad looked so panicked as if he didn't know that was going to happen. So we'll start off in the hoppy fridge over here.
Either way, right?
What do you think?
So many bright colours.
We've got a modern Yorkshire bitter here from Magic Rock.
What about something super sweet to kind of
sweet? Maybe we'll go to Belgium.
Freeze it up.
Yeah, I don't think hops are going to work
Belgium?
Here. So we'll go over to Belgium.
Hops can't save us this time. Bring on the sugar.
Right, so that's the sour. So we've got Belgian styles. So something like a quad might work.
What about something fruity?
Double. Maybe adding some umami to a double with the slightly burnt caramel vibes.
Liking it.
Could be really, really nice. Right, so that's our complementer.
Let's go.
Let's find a contraster.
The crisps don't translate the creaminess of Guinness. They translate the beefy sort of maltiness. There's no creaminess. So how about something with a little bit of lactose in it?
Well, I mean, all I think we've got with lactose in here, I think it's the orange velvet.
Ooh.
Which has got lime, mango and vanilla as well.
Bloody Nora.
Which I think that would be rancid.
Sounds kind of terrifying.
Yeah. I've just had a really good idea.
What's,
had a really good idea. Like umami and bread.
Yes.
Really work.
Oh,
bread
yes.
Kind of umami.
Yes.
What we've got here from Burning Sky is recusant, which is their Brett IPA. So we're back. We have bready, funky goodness with the umami, the hops to cut through, and then we have caramelly, roasty funkiness. Which one do you believe in most?
I like the shimmer.
Okay, we'll start with the one that you think might not work.
Yeah. I wanted lactose. I want a lactose.
Out of 600 beers, we had one with, and that had lime in it, so that would have been disgusting.
Yeah, wouldn't have worked.
So recusant is a Brett IPA from one of the best breweries in the UK, Burning Sky.
I am getting the countryside. I mean, it's fresh, but it's funky. It's farmyard.
Just a little hint of like white wine grapiness as well.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Smells amazing.
Super mega good. Why would you need a brute IPA when you can have that?
I mean,
just dry.
You know what? That's the mouthfeel of that. It's a little bit creamy.
As always, when you're tasting beer and food, beer, food, beer.
There's a lot going on.
Yeah.
I feel like it's fighting.
I think they are. And I feel like the crisps are winning. I don't want it to win with a beer like this.
The Irish.
The Irish in you coming out.
Bing bang bong.
Yeah.
Didn't get on.
But
like
your boy
cats and
Blue,
dogs. Oh, maybe.
I'd say every time I have Chimay Blue, I'm like, why don't I drink this more often?
I mean, it is a classic, right?
Yeah, I mean the reason is it is 9%, but it is bloody delicious.
Oh my word. It's luxuriant, isn't it? Just want to dive in.
Caramelized banana.
Yeah,
Hint of
estery.
nail polish, so estery.
Oh, there's esters,
A
eh?
little bit of caramel.
Like Ester
Love
Rantzen,
it.
so estery. Is she alive?
I was about to say, I bet she gets that all the time, but she doesn't. I bet she doesn't hang out with many beer
It's
nerds.
an old reference, to be honest. She might be dead, I'm not sure.
Well, here's to
Here's to Ester Rantzen.
Exactly.
The like syrupy, banana-y, sugary richness is kicking off
Yeah.
with the that serious umami
Do you know,
darkness.
I didn't think about this, but I'm pretty sure that a banana and Marmite sandwich is a thing. And
Tell us,
now-
people, is that a thing?
I'm pretty sure it's a thing. And now that I've done that together,
Makes sense.
it's great. It adds the savoury umaminess that a sweet Abbey beer is kind of lacking.
I agree. I think that's an amazing match.
Yeah.
More power to it. I mean, it's raised the game of this. I mean, this is always an amazing beer, but wow,
It's pretty magical.
that's a combo right there.
It's not quite Orval and Monster Munch, but it's pretty damn fucking good.
What is though, to be honest?
No, nothing. Nothing is. There you go, another triumph. I say another triumph, there have been two triumphs out of many, many attempts. Guinness crisps are elevated by Chimay, and more bafflingly, Chimay is elevated by Guinness crisps.
Yeah,
So if you see a pack of these, grab them.
Go for it.
But only if you've got Chimay in
I
the
don't
fridge.
know if they're widely available, but they're made by Birds, who make really nice crisps. Actually.
Where did you get this from?
You might have got them from a German supermarket that you may have heard of.
Couldn't possibly name them until they give us money. But they are widely available enough for that. So give it a go. If you've got any crisp and beer matchings that you think could work, let us know and we'll do them. And obviously, if you have weird fucking crisps, please send
We
them
want
to us.
all the weird fucking crisps.
All the weird fucking crisps. Cheers. We've now got a lot of beer to drink.